Hello, in this video, I will present my solution for software architecture assignment 2. The solution is a real-time weather data pipeline built using Apache NiFi, an open source data flow automation platform. My pipeline automatically fetches live weather data, transforms it, and saves it to disk without any manual effort. The problem I am solving is this: weather data is generated continuously by public APIs every minute, but the raw response comes in complex JSON format that is not ready for analysis. There is no automated system to extract the relevant fields and format them properly. Manual collection is slow and error prone. My solution addresses all of these issues using a fully automated data flow pipeline. My solution uses Apache NiFi, a powerful data flow automation tool. I chose NiFi because it provides three key capabilities. First, automated data movement. It fetches data from the API every 60 seconds with zero manual effort. Second, real-time transformation. It converts raw JSON into clean CSV format automatically. Third, a visual flow design. Pipeline is built using a drag and drop interface. Here is the complete architecture of my data flow. The pipeline has four processes connected in sequence. First, invoke HTTP fetches data from the Open Meteor Weather API and parses it as a flow file. Second, evaluate JSON path, parses the JSON and extracted four fields: temperature, wind speed, weather code, and timestamp. Third, replace text, formats those extracted values into a single CSV row. Finally, put file saves that CSV row into a file on disk. The output format is shown at the bottom: timestamp, temperature, wind speed, and weather code, all comma separated and ready for analysis. Now let me walk through the exact configuration of each processor. Processor 1, invoke HTTP, is configured with the Open Meteor API URL for Colombo, Sri Lanka using a GET request on a 60-second schedule. Processor 2, evaluate JSON path, maps for JSON path expression to extract the weather fields. Processor 3, replace text, uses NiFi expression language to build a CSV row from the extracted attributes. And processor 4, put file, saves the output to the NiFi weather output folder. Now I will demonstrate the pipeline running live. You can see the four processes on the canvas. It all currently stopped. I will now start the entire flow. You can see the byte counters incrementing under each processor. Invoke HTTP has fetched data from the API and passed it as a flow file. Evaluate JSON path, received it and extracted the four weather fields. Replace text, formatted the values into a CSV row. And put file has successfully saved the output to disk. The connection arrows between each processor confirm that data moved through the entire pipeline. Let me now open the output file that was created by this pipeline. I am opening the NiFi weather output folder on my C drive. Here you can see the weather data CSV file was automatically created by the put file processor. Let me open it. The raw JSON from the API has been successfully transformed into structured clean CSV data: timestamp, temperature in Celsius, wind speed, and weather code, all ready for analysis or import into any reporting tool. This pipeline fully solved the problem. It automatically fetches live weather data every 60 seconds. Transform the raw JSON into structured CSV using four Apache NiFi processors and persist the output to disk for downstream use. The entire flow runs with zero manual intervention after initial step. Thank you.